Hello everyone. Today I am going to sing a song from the movie Bhag Milka Bhag. The song goes like this. हो रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में, हो रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में, डूबना है बस तेरा बन के, है नहीं रहना दूजा बन के, एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी, एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी, खींच लेना प्राण से तन के, है नहीं रहना दूजा बन के। थैंक यू।
Hi all, this is Pratik Mazumdar, your ex-head boy from 2010-11, and here I am dedicating few lines from a beautiful song. ਜਦੋਂ ਅੰਬਰਾਂ ਬਰਸਿਆ ਪਾਣੀ, ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ, ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ, मिट्टी दी खुशबू आई। तो इस मिट्टी की खुशबू और स्कूल में स्पेंड किया हुआ हर एक टाइम मत भूलिएगा कभी भी।
खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। हो दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो, तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है। हो अंजाम है तय मेरा, होना तुम्हें है मेरा, जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है। हो ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। हो खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो, तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है। तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम कहीं गुजारे, मौसमी ना समझो पर इश्क को हमारे, नजरों के सामने मैं आता नहीं तुम्हारे, मगर रहते हो हर पल मंजर में तुम हमारे। गर इश्क से है मिला फिर दर्द से क्या गिला, इस दर्द में जिंदगी खुशहाल है। ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। ओ खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। हो दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो, तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है।
तू जो मुझे यहाँ मिला, सपने हुए सरफिरे, हाथों में आती नहीं, होते हैं लम्हे मेरे, मेरी हंसी तुझसे, मेरी खुशी तुझसे, तुझे खबर क्या मेरी, जिस दिन तुझको ना देखूं, पागल पागल फिरती हूँ, कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही, थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वही, वो मेरे टीचर्स थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते, वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, हो मेरे टीचर।
जैसे उम्र बढ़ रही है, उसमें जिम्मेदारी भी कुछ कम नहीं, परेशानी की हदें बढ़ रही है, इन सब से छुटकारा भी तो नहीं, फिर से मुझे बचपन जीना है, अजब सी ख्वाहिश है मेरी, उस दौर में वापस जाना है, सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए ही सही। दादी की लोरी में पाना है दुलार, जीना है और एक बार कॉलेज का वो पहला प्यार, स्कूल के सब किस्से वापस दोहराने हैं, शैतानी और मस्ती फिर से लुटानी है, अब वक्त है बदला हम भी है बदले, बदला ये जहां, बीते बचपन का रह रह के अब आता है ख्याल, फिर से मुझे बचपन जीना है, अजब सी ख्वाहिश है मेरी, उस दौर में वापस जाना है, सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए ही सही। यारों संग अतरंगी वाली हुल्लड़बाजी करना, उंगली से पिस्तौल बना के चोर पुलिस खेलना, पढ़ाई के बहाने से दोस्तों के घर जाना, वो वाली किताबों में जिज्ञासा से गड़ जाना। बाप के नाम से बुलाते थे दोस्त कमीने, गर्लफ्रेंड के नाम से चिढ़ाते थे नमूने। फिर से मुझे बचपन जीना है, अजब सी ख्वाहिश है मेरी, उस दौर में वापस जाना है, सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए ही सही। फिर से मुझे बचपन जीना है, अजब सी ख्वाहिश है मेरी, उस दौर में वापस जाना है, सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए ही सही।
I'm Ratan Somani. I passed out in the year 1979 from Hindalco Vidya Niketan. That point of time the name of the school was. And I'm pleased to say that the learnings, the development which I had received from my all teachers that point of time, I think I really owe gratitude to them. And I think this is a platform where I can express my gratitude to all the teachers, principal who taught me and who grew me. Friends, I am alumni of Hindalco Vidya Niketan, and to be precise, Adit Birla Public School now. And a message, if you want, from me is keep learning, keep growing. I mean, that is the only message. Keep playing. Everything counts what you do in the school in your future career.
Hello everyone. Let me take you all down the memory lane. I am Pinky Singh, batch 1990. I never thought that nostalgia could be so sweet till I heard from my beloved school, ABPS Renukut, informing me of the virtual school reunion. And that started a chain of memories that I've so fondly cherished for the last 3 decades. My mind immediately went back to my principal of the time, Mr. Chachi, and his lovely wife. Mr. Chachi was and still remains such a role model for me. How immaculately dressed a man he was, and what impeccable manners he had. I remember seeing him bend down to pick up bits of papers and wrappers wherever he happened to find them in the school premises. His quiet but firm leadership inspired us to become better at all that we did. He was very, very particular that the words pronounced exactly the way that should have been. In fact, he was so particular about every syllable, and I still remember the pains he went to ensure that the letter H was pronounced exactly the way it was meant to be. Mrs. Chachi taught us English and was the source of my love for the language and eventual subject of higher studies. Every time I visit or even pass by my dear school, I just cannot but feel a surge of gratitude and affection for the role it has played in my being for the person who I am. A mother, a teacher, a citizen of this beautiful blue planet of ours. I just want to wind up saying, may God bless ABPS Renukut. Thank you.
I am Dr. Shobhit for the world, but for Shobhit for my alma mater. When I was asked to share something about the school, I searched the net but couldn't find any expression which could describe my gratitude towards my alma mater and my great teachers. I was blessed to be alumni of Hindalco Vidyaniketan, now Aditya Birla Public School. Thank you, friends.
हेलो, मेरा नाम श्रुति परमार है। 1991 में मैं हिंडाल्को विद्यानिकेतन से पास आउट हुई थी। आज की तारीख में मैं लॉस एंजलिस में रहती हूँ और एक्टिविजन ब्लिज़र्ड करके एक कंपनी है जो वीडियो गेम्स बनाती है। उस कंपनी के आईटी डिपार्टमेंट में मैं एंटरप्राइज एप्लीकेशंस की डायरेक्टर हूँ। हिंडाल्को विद्यानिकेतन ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया और ना ही सिर्फ एजुकेशन बट स्पोर्ट्स, म्यूज़िक, डांस, केमिकल वर्कशॉप, फोटोग्राफी, ऐसी कितनी सारी चीज़ें थी जो मुझे नहीं लगता कि दूसरे स्कूल्स में होती होंगी जितना हमारे स्कूल में थी। आज भी मुझे डॉज बॉल बहुत याद आता है, कबड्डी बहुत याद आता है। आई थिंक मेरा जो फोकस रहता था वो शायद आफ्टरनून सेशन पे ज़्यादा रहता था, ना कि मॉर्निंग सेशंस में। मुझे असेंबली भी बहुत याद आती है। विद्यानिकेतन के जागरूक है जवां हर मंडे को हम लोग गाते थे। और एक और अच्छी बात ये थी कि हमारे जो म्यूज़िक टीचर्स थे उन्होंने हमको रविंद्र संगीत से भी इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था, जो कि आज भी मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और आई कांट थैंक आवर टीचर्स इनफ फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट दे हैव डन फॉर अस। I congratulate every student of Hindalco Vidyaniketan, and I hope that the alumni meet for this year is just a grand success. Good luck to everybody.
Hello everyone, this is Rita Saini from 1991 HPN batch. Now Rita Segal, a teacher in Toronto, Canada. 40 seconds is not enough to share my life experiences and show my gratitude. So I just have a small connection from my grade 7 social studies book, which had a black and white picture of Niagara Falls. I was really fascinated and I asked, can I visit this place sometime? My desire made its own way. And now I desire to visit this beautiful town, Renukut, and of course my foundation school, ABPS now. So everyone, just keep working hard and be thankful with what you have in your life. Your desires will make their own way. Stay happy and keep shining. Thank you so much.
First and foremost, thank you so much, Ritu, for remembering me and asking me to share my feelings and emotions for this special alumni meet. For me, it's a moment of happiness and nostalgia to talk about, the Renukut and my long lost memories. And also it's an opportunity for me to reflect what I have learned and what I have achieved from my birthplace and from my roots. Today I own a company named Prapti Enterprises, and I have a brand label Sanchi by Sanchita of my own, wherein I have been retailing through multi-designer stores and I have been into exports also. So it's a beautiful, beautiful memories and the life and the friends and the time spent together. Memories to cherish about and talk about every time. Thank you so much and love you all.
Hi, I'm Shweta Bansal and I'm from 2005 batch, and I have spent my most valuable and most remarkable 14 years in ABPS, and needless to say that I'm a proud product of Vidyaniketan and now a successful investment banker. One memory I want to share with all of you is our school anthem, which I cherish and I think all of you can relate to it very well, is Sing We're School Song. To ABPS we belong, long live its name, great be its fame in stories and in song. And even I love the Hindi version, which was विद्यानिकेतन के हम जागरूक हैं जवा, वतन की शान पर मिटे वतन की शान पर चले, विपत्तियों का वीर वृक्ष लक्ष्य तक बढ़े चले. And even I cherish these songs with my child as well. So now my heartfelt thank you and most respect to our teachers whose nurturing and their upbringing has always worked as a support system. Thank you all current students, alumni and all our respective teachers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika. I passed out from ABPS in the year 2007. It's been 13 long years, but I think the learning, the journey, everything from ABPS has been really interesting and very memorable, from obviously all the amazing school teachers to our friends that we made, to those really interesting events, whether they were sports events, annual events, intra-school, zonal activities. I mean, there was so much that happened in those years, and it's just something that we really fondly still remember, and it's just a great bundle of joy.
Hello everyone, myself Yash. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on the auspicious occasion of our institution's alumni meet. I entered the school back in 2004 in the nursery section and completed my education in 2018. I think everyone remembers their first day at school. Some of us cried and even wanted to go back home, but the day we left school, we realized what this institution truly means to us. Time passed by and schooling became one of the best experiences. School days have always been a sweet memory to cherish for me. It has given me an unforgettable impression. Competitions and extracurricular activities organized by the school has increased our exposure and taught us different skills, like it has improved my imagination, creativity, coordination and team spirit. Not only this institution has given me a tremendous learning experience, but has also given me an opportunity to serve the society through various social and cultural programs. Except for non-scholarly activities, the lessons taught by my proficient teachers has given us inevitable knowledge and guidance throughout these years. Due to the highly committed and ambitious faculty, I have seen this institution growing and tending year after year, as is evident by the board results. In the end, I would like to say that the institution's fame rests not only on its students, but on teachers and administration as well. I am extremely proud and fortunate to be a part of this institution and will forever be grateful to have such nice teachers in my life who have helped me become a better person as well as helped me get good grades as well for all my efforts.
Hello everyone, my name is Arpita Singh and I completed my schooling from the ABPS Renukoot in the year 2011. First of all, I would like to thank Mala ma'am who has told me about this platform where I can convey my love and respect for my school. So whenever I talk to my school friends, I realize that we always used to talk about the mischiefs we have done and the scoldings we received from you all. We have a lot of confessions to be made actually, but before that I would really love to tell you all that all your students are excelling in their careers, not only in India but outside the country, and whatever we are today, whatever we are doing in our careers and in our lives is just because of the confidence which has been inbuilt in us by you all. It's because of the quality of education, it's because of the discipline we learned, it's because of the cultural activities we know about. It has built up so much confidence in us that we are never afraid of doing anything in our lives and in any field. Thank you so much to all my teachers, and I wish on behalf of all the students actually, I wish you good health, happy life and a very long life. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Shruti Agrawal and I am from the batch of 2018-19 and I'm a proud alumni of this institution ABPS, and I'm really grateful to have been a part of this institution for 14 long years. I remember once when I was in class 11th and I had taken up commerce instead of science, and Sunil sir, whom I admire the most, how are you sir? So I remember he was not convinced with me with the decision, and he gave me a new name that was Pagalia, and not to lie, I really loved that name. But somehow I knew that he was not happy with the decision. But after the results came out, we didn't really have the chance to meet each other. So, sir, I really hope that you are now convinced that I took the right decision, and I assure you and everyone that I am really working hard on it, and one day I'll try to make you all proud. I miss school every day, each and every day, and I cannot miss it more. The building, the people, the teachers, the staff, my friends, everything. And I know that I cannot make those memories all over again. And maybe I do not want to, because you know, a student's life is a golden period, but I don't think I want to live them all over again and lessen its value. I just miss them. Thank you for making me a part of this huge family for the 14 long years. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Vanshika Dogra and I'm an alumni of the Aditya Birla Public School, Renukut, and I'm from the batch of 2018-19 from Commerce section. Currently I am pursuing BBA Honours from Christ University, Bangalore. I have expressed my emotions, my feelings, everything through a form of a self-composed poem about my school, which goes like this. School. As soon as this word flashes by, it comes with numerous undefinable joys. Those long-lasting assemblies, those never-ending discussions before our picnic journeys, those friendships which used to break and make in seconds, those playing games which we thought should never ever end. School life indeed taught us a lot. It made many spoiled brats a big rich shot. I still remember my farewell day. I felt so hopeless that why can't I stop time in any way? My connect with my school just can't be expressed in mere words. It would be like colorless sky without birds. And in the end, I would like to thank all my teachers and everyone. Because of them, I am what I am today, and I'm a big proud alumni of the school. Thank you.
Hey there, this is Manvi Bisht, batch 2019. No matter how much you think you hate school, but you always gonna miss it when you leave it. I'm a proud ABP Sen.
Hello everyone, myself Siddharth Vishwakarma. I was a student of the ABPS since LKG onwards. Since then, my life has been full of ups and downs. These 14 years of my life was full of excitements. All my teachers and my friends were a great asset to me. They helped me, they never let me down and helped me in every possible way. My teachers were exceptionally great. They always supported me and guided me in every way possible. Because of this, I was able to crack many competitive exams like Olympiads, KVPY, NTSC, JEE Mains and Advance. At last, I would like to say all the best to the upcoming batches of ABPS Renukut. Thank you everyone.
रास्ता मंजिल का दिखाने वाले एक वो खूबसूरत सफर था, कोई और नाम मत देना उसे, वो दूसरा मेरा घर था। सुबह सुबह इंतजार अपनी बस का करना, पहले विंडो सीट फिर विंडो के लिए लड़ना। टीचर के साथ चोर पुलिस का खेल खेला करते थे और पनिशमेंट मिलने पर घर तक फोन ना जाए, बस इसी बात का डर लगा करता था। बर्थडे पर विशेष से ज्यादा तो बर्थडे बॉम्ब मिला करते थे। ट्रीट लेने के नाम पर नए नए चेहरे भी दिखा करते थे। पेन फाइटिंग करके हमने कितने सारे पेन है लूटे। कैंटीन में दोस्त का खाकर बिल के टाइम पर हमेशा भाग जाया करते थे। एनुअल डे की तैयारी पर जब पूरा स्कूल बिजी हुआ करता था, सारे पीरियड फ्री हुआ करते थे, सबके चेहरे पे खुशी हुआ करती थी। ना करियर की टेंशन ना कुछ की, बस दोस्त यारी पक्की हुआ करती थी। अब महसूस होता है वो सुबह हर सुबह से अच्छी हुआ करती थी। कल सुबह हम यहाँ नहीं होंगे, कभी फैमिली थे और विजिटर्स हुआ करेंगे। सोचा नहीं था कि जिसके साथ रोज बैठा करते थे, आज उनसे सिर्फ मिलने की बात ही हुआ करेगी। पहले तो सेक्शन चेंज होने पर तड़प जाया करते थे। पता नहीं था अब उनसे मुलाकात भी नहीं होगी। पेंसिल के बाद पेन से लिखने का हुनर, यारी का मतलब भी सीखा है इधर। इसे स्कूल कह लो या कह लो मेरा दूसरा घर।